Hello everyone, I'm Heeral and today I'm going to share a wonderful recipe with you which is Oreo cupcakes. Let's get started. It's very simple as well as delicious. For this recipe, we'll need one packet of Oreos. You could use two packets or three packets as per your preference. Now we're going to open the packet and we're going to put the Oreo biscuits into a big large bowl. I'm using chocolate flavor. You could use vanilla flavor as well. As you can see, now I now we need 1 cup of milk and we add the milk into our biscuit mixture. Use a whisk, spatula or a spoon to do this. Crush these biscuits into the milk nicely until the batter is silky and smooth. Whisk until there are no lumps and it's silky and smooth. As you can see, my batter looks silky, smooth, and perfect. I'm using some paper cups for this recipe. Grease them with some melted ghee or butter or refined oil or so. Grease it nicely, otherwise, your cake would stick to the paper cups and it would be very difficult to demold the cake. Now I'm using 1 sachet of Eno. You could use baking soda or baking powder for this recipe, but an important tip is that once you have added Eno, whisk the batter in one direction only. Now we need to fill the batters into the paper cups or cupcake molds. We have to fill 3/4 of the batter, not the whole of it, otherwise the cake would come out from the molds. So fill 3/4, not the full. So as you can see, I'm doing the same. Microwave for 1 minute. You could use a kadhai to do this. Now insert a toothpick and check whether the cake is done. If the toothpick comes out clean, then the cake is done. Now we need to demold the cake. I'm using a knife and inserting the knife in the edges, and as you can see, the cupcake has turned out amazing. It's spongy, moist, soft, and best. I'm doing the same with the rest of the cupcakes as well. Can you see the texture is super soft, spongy, and moist? Try this recipe out, and I'm definitely sure that you'll love it. Like, share, and subscribe for channel support. Thanks for watching.